ShadeTV.
Yes, so I'm with Theta. You are not a stranger to Sundance. This is your second kind of amazing experience getting to be here with a film.
It's the second time we have had the privilege of showing something at Sundance, but it's our
Yes.
first time here. We
First
were
time here, okay.
In 2022. It was
Yes.
all virtual.
All virtual.
So this is our first time in Park City, and it's a tremendous treat.
I was going to say, how does it feel? Your whole team, by the way, is so fashionable.
Well,
Like all of you. Is this just natural?
No, it's not natural. It's a total contrivance. But
Okay,
that's what's
all
nice
right.
about that's what's nice about an occasion like this, is you get to dress up like somebody that you might not be in your daily life.
Yeah, you all look great. So I heard a little backstory that you DJ.
No, that's not true.
Somebody said like you DJ'd
No,
before.
no, I wish.
No?
I mean, I did DJ very, very badly for about a year.
Okay, then that was the storyline we heard, because I was like, wait, is Theta going to DJ for us today? Because that would
Absolutely
be amazing.
not.
Where's the event at?
It would be a travesty. I don't
Yeah.
know any. I know about 4 songs. I used to be a
Really?
nightclub performer, but I would mostly just sit on stage and yell at the bar guests.
Oh, yell at them.
Yes, and that you can draw a straight line from that to this.
Yeah, exactly.
There's some yelling in the movie.
So you have some multiple roles revolving around this. I mean, you're
Sure.
all over, from being a part of the cast to writing this, directing this.
Yes.
How is it being so many different roles?
It's exhausting, but it's a real treat. I was just saying, to be able to compensate for the defects in one aspect with your virtues in another, and so on and so forth. So it was also nice to have that long to work on the movie and make it better at every stage.
And what was the inspiration behind the story and concept? Clearly, COVID was a big part of this. Where did this come from?
Well, it's really inspired by my lead performer John Early's gifts as a comedic performer, and his ability to project an extreme social anxiety. And so the lockdown scenario provided a nice frame to put that character into contact with several other people with whom he has an extremely fraught relationship. So
It sounds
it's about
amazing.
his meltdown.
Yeah, which is great, right?
Yes,
It's that
yeah.
dark comedy kind of sense and
Yes.
feeling that you get from it.
Yes.
And also, it's refreshing and lighthearted to kind of bring that to such a morbid time for some people. You know, it's one of
Yes.
those things where you can think about it in a different perspective.
Yes, it's where our job is not to dwell too much on the details of the occasion, but just to exploit it for the purposes of our little narrative.
Amazing. Well, it's such a pleasure meeting you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Wait for everyone to see your incredible film.
I'll think about maybe learning how to DJ.
I think we're
At
ready
some
for
point.
it. Right, next year, okay?
I'll come back and I'll
you've
do
got to host an entire
have the
event.
decks.
Yes. Welcome everyone. So I'm with.
Qaher.
Okay, so I have to just go through this look right now because you're slaying. What are you wearing? What is
I'm
this?
wearing Arturo Obegaro.
Okay.
He's a Parisian-based designer.
Wow.
Working with Beyonce, Harry Styles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and so I'm honored to be wearing it.
And
really.
it's perfect with the backdrop. Did you plan this with the purple, or
Nope.
it just worked out?
I really didn't. It
It's
just
how,
worked
it's
out.
how funny is it when the universe does that, right?
It just worked out, yeah.
You just know
Same
how to
with the
roll.
movie.
Same with the
Same
movie.
with the movie. The universe brought it, and it's here.
Well, I can't wait to see your looks in that. Did you have some fab looks? I know you played an injured character.
Exactly.
Did that affect your acting at all, or
No, it felt
kind of immobilize you in certain ways?
No, because there were a lot of truths about like how an Arab individual would feel, you know, in general, in this particular environment, like the movie's environment,
Yes.
the characters around him, if you know what I mean. And the only hard moments were like being in tune, you know, like
Yeah.
coming in and thinking like, okay, today is going to be a very sad day because something sad happens,
Yeah.
and to really bring it on when you're acting, you know, because sometimes people talk to you on set and like, you know, everyone is having fun.
Yeah.
And so you don't want to take these feelings that you're supposed push away those feelings that you are supposed to feel on set on this particular day.
And you clearly look like you model. Do you also model?
Yes. I work as a model mainly in fashion.
Nice.
And I ended up getting the movie.
Do you do runway, print, everything?
Runway campaigns, lookbooks, everything. I'd
What's
say.
your favorite?
My
like-
favorite brand? You mean?
Just out of all type, modeling is so diverse. I always ask people, do you like runway? Do you like commercials?
It's all
Do you
beautiful.
like-
It's all beautiful. You get to create magic, and that's the most important thing, honestly. You get to like really tell a story and that's also very important.
And did that background kind of help your character?
Yeah, it did, because you understand exactly where the camera is going to be. You know,
Exactly, right?
you get
Always
the
camera
angles.
facing, you're not behind it. And
Yeah.
then, you play this great character that everyone wants to meet. How did that feel?
Like Bahlul, you mean the character Bahlul?
Yes.
Yeah, it's. I honestly don't know how it feels. Like it's a lot to process.
Yeah. You're a star, you know. Everybody
I
wants to
appreciate
meet you in quarantine. Pretty exciting.
Yeah, it's the character is like no one really knows like who's this guy, you know, like is he actually like a model? Is he not? Is he just like calling himself a model? But he really is, you know, and whether he likes it or not, he really is a model.
And you have the Moroccan background. I love Morocco, by the way. I've been to Marrakesh and Casablanca. It's stunning.
I was there last weekend.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
I was there last weekend. It's
And
beautiful.
and did you have the most amazing time eating food out there?
Yeah.
The tangines are on another level.
I bought an olive bag, like
Oh, you bought
from
an
the
olive
souk
bag.
from the market. I went to the market and I picked up some olives and I was eating them on set as we were shooting because I had to
Oh my
shoot there as
gosh.
well.
Oh, you got to shoot.
Yeah.
Thank goodness they took you there. What a terrible thing to have to do. Actually go there.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
And you get lost. Isn't it crazy how maze-like that
The
city is?
architecture is crazy.
It's
like,
insane. I mean, the mosque and everything out there as
let
well.
alone the people. Like the
Oh, yeah.
people are so kind, so welcoming, hospitable.
So hospitable.
Everyone says hello, and when they know you're from Palestine, they like give you a great hug. You know?
Did you make it out to the desert?
No, unfortunately, I only had 3 days, so we were all shooting in Casablanca all over the place, and then I
Okay.
had to fly directly here.
You got to make it out sometime. Go to the Sahara, ride a camel.
It's beautiful.
great.
Yeah, I've been to Egypt before, but I haven't been to that part of the Sahara Desert.
Yeah, it's a long trek, I will say, but it's worth it, especially if you spend the night out there. It's
I'm
incredible.
pretty sure like there's amazing cities like Tangier, you know, that I
Oh,
still
yeah.
would like to visit.
Absolutely incredible.